In a small village nestled in the mountains, a young boy named Marcus lived with his family. One day, while exploring the woods, Marcus stumbled upon a lost wolf pup. The pup's mother had been killed by a hunter, and the pup was left alone and scared. Marcus took the pup home and cared for it, naming him Luna. As Luna grew, the villagers warned Marcus about the dangers of keeping a wolf as a pet. But Marcus and Luna had formed a strong bond, and Marcus couldn't imagine life without his new friend. As Luna grew stronger, he began to venture into the woods, and Marcus followed. They explored the forest together, learning about each other's worlds. Luna taught Marcus about the importance of family and loyalty, while Marcus showed Luna the value of kindness and compassion. But not everyone was happy about their friendship. A group of hunters, led by the same hunter who had killed Luna's mother, sought to capture Luna and use him for their own gain. Marcus and Luna found themselves on the run, facing dangerous obstacles and challenges along the way. Through their journey, Marcus and Luna proved that even the most unlikely of friends could become the closest of companions. They learned to trust and rely on each other, and their friendship became a symbol of hope and unity in the village. Moral: friendship can cross any boundary, and kindness and compassion can conquer even the greatest of dangers. This story encourages children to appreciate the value of friendship, kindness, and compassion, and to understand that even the most unlikely of friends can become the closest of companions.